Welcome back to Stock to Off-Road Machine, another epic video by us. As always, remember to storm out, have an epic adventure of your own. Four-wheel drives are not made to sit there and be a polished showpiece in the car park taking the kids to school day in, day out. So get off the beaten track, get those battle wounds, get those scratches, put the dents in the car, and remember the epic stories to tell the mates at the bar and tell them what you've got up to that weekend.
Hello all, welcome back to another Stock to Off-Road Machine video. Today we're going to be unboxing a CT Turbo. This one here is the second one that I've had because the first one I apparently sucked in a bit of rubber through the intake and it destroyed the turbo. Lucky enough they ended up giving me a little bit off on this, even though they didn't have to because it wasn't under warranty because of the damage that was caused by somewhat my fault apparently, but I'm not going to go there. So let's get to the unboxing. First things first that you get in the package, little bag. Has all the necessary seals in it, but from experience of installing the last one, the exhaust stud or the exhaust bit here doesn't fit an aftermarket exhaust, so you're going to have to throw that out and end up getting another one from the store that actually fits it properly, especially if you've got a 3-inch exhaust, because that's a stock gasket, doesn't fit. Then you've got all the warranty and fitting paperwork. Follow that to the T. It does say that you're going to have to clean your oil dump pipe and your feed pipe for obvious reasons. There may be metal particles or whatnot in it, and they just want to make sure it's clean as possible. You've got the balance readout of the turbo. This one is more of the balance readout. This inspector one, builder one, I'm pretty sure they only have one inspector and one builder there apparently, because two turbos, same builder, same inspector. It's kind of a bit funny, that one. I think they were just mass stamped a whole pile of them. And warranty and claims. It does state in here that you're going to have it fitted by a professional mechanic or a workshop of some sort, so that's just to cover their ass on their end. So keep that in mind, that if you don't have a mate that is a mechanic, try not to fit it yourself, because you can't use their stuff to cover your ass. And we have the turbo itself. So this time it's come in a pretty bag. The last one didn't come in a bag. This is already looking a little bit more suspect because they obviously know that it's a warranty claim. So and it's got extra paper on it that it never had on the last one either, to cover the back of the turbo.
Question, does it have shaft play?
It's got this tiniest bit. The last one that we had way more shaft play than this one straight off the bat. These covers are, oh, it's a bloody ass. I'll get that little bit out later.
What are you doing?
Just having a look at the inside of the turbo. I can see the milling marks on this one. Where on the last one I couldn't actually see inside there to see the milling marks. So straight off the bat, this one looks like a slightly better build. Doesn't have the shaft play on it like the last one. Doesn't wobble. It seems to be sturdier straight off the bat. It does have the little mark here, a little white bit on the fin, if you can see it there. That is what they use to read how fast the shaft is going when they're doing the testing and everything like that. But this one's looking better straight off the bat. Definitely a lot better. Hopefully this goes well on there and I don't have the issue that I had with the last one and end up having to get another one after 600 kilometers, because I still don't reckon it sucking in the bit of rubber when everything was cleaned and everything like that was due to my fault, because I did clean it, put in a new air filter, cleaned all the intakes, all the pipes, everything. So there's no way that it sucked in a bit of rubber. Everything was cleaned, brand new, flushed, the lot. But somehow it found a bit of rubber. But it's not my place to argue with them. So
leave the world around us. They don't need to know. Come find me where the sun sets and say you'll never let me go. You're the one I want. Say you need me. Hide away our love. Don't let go. I know you feel the same. Say you need me. 'Cause you'll always be my broken love.
always remember, storm out and have an epic adventure.
Thank you for sticking it out to the end of another Stop to Off-Road Machine video. Hit up the comment section down below, tell us what you thought of it. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell, that subscribe button, and give us a thumbs up if you like that video.